Welcome to our in-depth review of the Kenworth T680E 2025, a groundbreaking entry into the realm of zero-emission, heavy-duty trucking. This vehicle signifies a pivotal shift towards sustainable transportation, without compromising on performance or reliability. The T680E is Kenworth's inaugural Class 8 battery electric truck, engineered to meet the demands of modern freight operations, while adhering to stringent environmental standards. It's available in both tractor and straight truck configurations, featuring a 6x4 axle setup. The truck offers gross vehicle weight ratings, GVWR, of 54,000 pounds and 82,000 pounds, catering to various heavy-duty applications. Under the hood, the T680E boasts a robust electric powertrain developed in collaboration with Meritor. It delivers a continuous power output of 536 horsepower, with peak power reaching up to 670 horsepower. The torque stands at an impressive 1,623 pound-feet, ensuring strong acceleration and the capability to handle substantial loads. The truck utilizes Meritor's 14xe tandem electric powertrain, which includes a 2-speed integrated transmission, contributing to smooth and efficient operation. Equipped with a 396 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack, the T680E offers an estimated operating range of 150 miles on a full charge, depending on the application. Charging is facilitated through a CCS-1 DC fast charger, supporting a maximum rate of 150 kilowatts. This setup enables a complete recharge in just over 3 hours, minimizing downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. The T680E shares its design DNA with the next-generation T680, featuring aerodynamic enhancements that improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag. The exterior showcases a narrower hood and grille design, integrated front air dams, and redesigned chassis fairings. These elements work in unison to keep airflow tight to the truck, contributing to its overall efficiency. The vehicle also features fully LED headlamps, offering a wider and brighter pattern for improved visibility. Inside, the T680E is designed with driver comfort and convenience in mind. It features a 15-inch high-definition digital display that provides critical information at a glance. The next-gen SmartWheel integrates essential vehicle controls, allowing drivers to operate functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Optional amenities such as swivel seats and a cargo shelf enhance the living space, making long hauls more comfortable. Safety is paramount in the T680E, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation, and side object detection. The truck also offers lane keeping assist and torque-assisted steering as optional features, enhancing driver confidence and reducing fatigue.